In this video, I'm going to, in less than 60 seconds, tell you how to make the most money on LinkedIn. The process is simple and as follows. Number one, introduce or reacquaint yourself with your connections with a non-salesy message. Number two, offer them an opportunity to get in a mutually beneficial relationship where you can exchange valuable referrals with each other. Number three is get on a phone or a Zoom call and learn everything you can about each other's business quickly, especially each other's ideal clientele. Number four, be incredibly responsive when they give you a referral. Number five, set up a system of staying in touch every month, and that could be as simple as an email so you both stay top of mind. And number six, maybe the most important, use automation to reach out to them 10 times faster than you could by doing this manually. That should result in somewhere between 10 and 50 referrals every year. If you multiply that times what each client is worth to you, that will tell you how much potential income that is sitting on the table waiting for you. If you jump on a quick 30-minute Zoom, I will walk you through the entire LinkedIn strategy in detail. There should be a bunch of ways to reach out to me above and below this video, and I will either talk to you soon or I'll see you on another video.